welcome to Daily Practice. In this video, I'm going to discuss solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So do watch this video till end. And if you are so that you will get complete understanding of the solution for this question. Now there are two methods to solve these kind of questions. So let's dive into this question and try to understand those methods. So let's begin. Solution. Differentiate with respect to x. Sine inverse of x cube. Now this is inverse function and we have to differentiate this inverse function with respect to x. Now to solve these kind of questions there are two methods. First one is by definition. By definition method means we have to convert this given function y is equal to f of x into x is equal to f inverse of y. Then we have to differentiate this function x with respect to y, and then using definition of inverse function and its differentiation we have to find out dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. And second one is direct method. Direct method using formula. Here we directly use formula for sine inverse of x, and we have to use the formula for derivative of sine inverse of x, which is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So we are going to use this formula in direct method. So let's see one by one. Method number 1, which is by definition. So in this method, what we will do, we will first assume that this given function is equal to y. Let y is equal to sine inverse of x cube. Now once we have assumed that the given function is equal to y, then we have to convert this function of x into function of y. So how will you convert that? We will write this sine inverse as sine of y is equal to x cube. Now what we will do? We will write x cube is equal to sine. So we have written this in this way. Now we will take cube root, taking cube root of both the sides. So once you take cube root of both the sides, you will get x is equal to cube root of sine y. So in this way, we have converted the given inverse function of x into function of y. Now what we will do, as I have discussed earlier, we will differentiate this with respect to y. So differentiate above function with respect to y. So what we will get? Dx by dy is equal to, now we will differentiate this. So derivative of cube root of sine y will be, suppose this is sine y, I will write this cube root of sine y in this way, 1 upon 3. Then I will take its derivative. So its derivative will be 1 upon 3 sine of y bracket raised to minus 2 upon 3. Then using chain rule, I will multiply this whole term with derivative of sine y. So derivative of sine y will be cos of y. Now what I will do, I will simplify this further. On simplifying this further, what I will get? Dx by dy. Now how to simplify this? Let's see. Here you can see that 1 upon 3 sine y. Now I can write this, replace this sine y with x cube. As you can see here, the value of sine y is x cube. So I will write this x cube over here, 1 upon 3 x cube bracket raised to minus 2 upon 3. Then multiplied by. Now I will write this cos y in this way, 1 minus sine square y. Now how this term has arrived here, let's see. You know that sine square y plus cos square y is equal to 1. So in order to find cos y, I will take this sine square y to right hand side, 1 minus sine square y. Then I will take square root of both the sides. Then what I will get, cos of y is equal to under root of 1 minus sine square y. So in this way, I have got the value of cos y as under root of 1 minus sine square y. Now I will simplify this further. What I will get, 1 upon 3 into, now this 3 and this minus 2 upon 3, this 3 will get cancelled, and what I will get, x raised to minus 2, and this sine square y will be replaced with multiplied by under root 1 minus. Now I will replace this sine y with x cube. This sine y I will replace with x cube. So what I will get, x cube bracket this square as it is. So on further simplifying, what I will get, dx by dy is equal to under root of 1 minus x raised to 3 bracket square will give you x raised to 6 divided by 3x square. Now using definition, dy by dx will be equal to 1 upon dx by dy. So once I substitute this value of dx by dy in this equation, what I will get, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root of 1 minus x raised to 6 divided by 3x square. So I will get dy by dx is equal to 3x square divided by under root of 1 minus x raised to 6. So this is the final answer that we have obtained problems. So if you have understood the explanation, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.